you guys, it's MGNate, and today I'm here at the Cleveland Zoo, and right now we're just about to enter the rainforest just to send some good energy out to since the Amazon rainforest is burning. And here's what I think happened. So they used propane fire to burn away all of those like unwanted weeds and stuff. So I was thinking the propane probably leaked a lot. Then the second day it probably leaked without them even noticing. So as soon as it leaked, and then the fire hit, it just started the wildfire. So that was what I was thinking, and it was just an especially dry season. So, and the wildfire temperature is 78% this year, and literally all of northern South America is the Amazon rainforest. So I'm gonna go ahead and update you when we get into a giant tree, which is literally just like a giant tree here. All right, guys, here we are at the rainforest, and now, since we are here, yes, and there's a giant waterfall. What? It's really nice. Take it right there. And then, so now, and there's the waterfall. And yep, this is literally the rainforest. We got some monkeys. See, we got some monkeys over there. And up there we got leaves, a lot of leaves. It's literally like a greenhouse. Let's see what's over here. Are those lemurs? Oh, one of them just jumped. Yeah, I think those are. Yeah, those are lemurs. I think. I don't know. Oh wow. Nice. All right. And I'm probably gonna record a little bit of Pokemon Go play today. Not much, because there isn't much going on. The water event has just ended. So yeah. So here we are, just still walking through the rainforest. Nothing much, and yeah, you'll see. It says the upper forest, but you'll see something that I like to do every time we're here. Hope they didn't remove it. It's an awesome addition. It's literally like a giant spiral tree. Nope, I think I see it somewhere. Yeah, this place is huge, and it's still going. Where's it? Oh yeah, there it is. Look at that. See? Literally like a giant tree. If we come on over. And if we come over here. Look, this is literally how wide it is inside one of these trees. Here, I'm gonna let my dad take the camera. And here. This is like how big the inside of these giant like K-pop trees are. So yeah, this is just an absolutely humongous tree. And I'm really glad that I didn't remove this. I'm like, what? Where did it go? I guess this place is just bigger than I thought. Looks haunted in here. But we all know it's not. Going up. We're going up. I see the light. We're almost there. We're getting there. And we're there. As you can see, we're at the top. See? Got some bamboo. That's how high up we are. We can walk around. And now we enter the upper areas. Alright. Now let's see some animals. Oh, it stinks in here. Holy cow. Yeah, it stinks in here. Holy cow. Nice fake lamp you got going there. Alright. So, come on. What? Oh. Wallen. Alright. Now, you see quite a few things in here. Not much. And there's some more animals. More animals. And now let's see. And now let's see exactly how many. Now let's go on ahead and come on in here. I think there's like gorillas and stuff in here. One right there. See? Zoom in on it. That's a gorilla right there. So there's not really much to see. Wow, but a lot more animals. And oh, I see some flamingos. What the heck? Look, over here, Look at those silly birds. Wow. Bunch of just flamingos and stuff. Look at those little rodents. Just chilling over there. Here we are at the rainforest area over here. That's really all. So there's some duckies. I'm gonna. Yep, duckies over there. Look at him. Just
speak to South American ducks.
nope. See, look, he's just staring at me.
See if they all go to the water.
Look at him, just staring at me. All right. Over here, look at that little guy. Is that a pigeon? Oh, he's fluttering his wings at me. Yep, I think that's a sign saying go away. Oh, I think the gorilla's moving around over here. Oh my gosh. Dad, come check out these rodents over here.
Oh, excuse me. Yeah, if you stand right here and look over here, there's a beautiful bird.
Oh wow.
And the capybara is right there.
You know what my wife said?
Wow. Look at that giant anteater.
I'm just kidding.
It's actually, capybaras are actually members of the rodent family. How'd you like to have something like that living in your walls?
Oh, wow.
Or going through your pantry?
That
I
thing's
think
huge.
that's the female and that's the male because this one's bigger. They said the females are bigger than the males.
What are they called?
Capybara.
Capybara.
Oh.
That anteater is huge. Whoa.
They're going extinct because a lot of people kill them.
Wonder if
Wow.
people have pet animals.
So I am currently in the rainforest playing Pokemon. Got lucky X star piece. Going. Looks like my dad just launched a glacial. The word main key right here. I'm going to catch that sucker. Hey, come back and away my Pokeballs. Wow. So yeah, there's and we are currently in the rainforest. And and this place is amazing. There's there's a lot of monkeys here. Just chilling out.
All the way down to the bottom.
Wow.
I like the artwork.
Wow.
It helps them feel like
Yeah, there's artwork and stuff to make them feel more like at home. And we got some sleeping monkeys. That's cute. All right. Over here, and nothing has been happening much in the game recently, other than a few different things. Oh, and we got some orangutans. And and look at this. Dad, how do you get to the other one? What is it called?
camera. You got it all buried.
Camera? I just clicked on camera.
Video.
Alright guys, so now yeah, it just seems saying warning, camera has failed. Oh, probably
Because you got the screen recorder still going.
got the rainforest, and we got an orangutans here just eating a bunch of bamboo right now. Yep. Oh, here he goes. He's coming over. What is he doing? Oh, just come over to chill and eat some more stuff. All right. Now right over here we have bunches of otters over here, and where are they at?
Wanting some more food.
Oh. I need some food, that's all. And this keeps monsters. There's really hungry. That's one. This is just food. Yeah, that's all I want. They just want some food.
What? Yeah, Nathan came back, didn't he? They're like, wait, didn't we just see you?
Look at them. Oh, where are they going? There goes one of them. Oh, they're all scattering back into the
They're gonna go yell at them again.
There they are. Yeah. Oh, they want to kill me. Alright, so I don't really cover the rainforest. It's just, kill me. So, I'm working it. It's, a lot of people saying elephants and that stuff. But this is really all that you can report is our time at the rainforest. I don't know. It's an awesome addition. Bamboo. That's going ahead and pull in here. I think there's like gorillas and over there. Look at it. This guy. Is that a pigeon?